Dear learners, the next selective inventory control method is SDE analysis. So SDE analysis has a criteria which is based on procurement challenges of getting a material. Now there are many challenges in procurement like non-availability of material, longer lead times, unreliable sources of supply, geographically far sources and many other challenges. Now in HD analysis, S stands for scarce, D stands for difficult and E stands for easy. Now scarce items are generally very short in terms of availability or short in a supply. Usually these items are imported and has longer lead times. On other side, difficult items are these items which are not readily available locally but not easily purchased due to many aspects like use of raw material, specialized labor requirement, uniqueness of the product or monopoly of the product, legal considerations of the product, and that's why the lead time of difficult items is also on a higher side and the source is usually not reliable or very less sources available in the market. On other hand, easy items are readily available in the market and there are many sources for providing these products in the market, and that's why there is no such difficulty or shortage or even unavailability of the material. Now let's understand some examples of scarce raw material. So scarce raw material include rare earth metals, precious metals and even gemstones, or as far as industrial scenario is concerned, specialized machineries or specialized medical equipments and even military vehicles are part of scarce raw material or scarce products in the industry. Now as far as example of difficult products is concerned, these are basically seasonal materials and those are only available during certain times of the year. Now some examples of seasonal materials may include fruits, vegetables and even flowers. Some other examples in industry are like technical material, which includes medical equipments, laboratory equipments and even security systems which are required in the market. Now example of easy products can be the common material which is available easily in market, which may include steel, aluminium, plastics, office stationaries, nut and bolts which are required in the manufacturing industry. Now what is the use of HD analysis? So HD analysis again helps more into designing purchasing policies and even stocking requirements in the organization.